Financial Markets Explained, simply what every investor must know before putting money anywhere. This is my first video on understanding and explaining the fundamentals of financial markets. Why I am proud of my education is that I don't use jargons. I speak in very simple and day-to-day spoken English language. I hope all my viewers will get in-depth knowledge and come out winners in financial markets while doing any type of trades. My dear friends, most people believe they understand money. They earn, they save, they invest. Yet quietly, they feel anxious because deep inside, they are not sure. Is my money really safe? Am I doing the right thing? Or am I missing something important? Today, I want to speak to you calmly and honestly, not as a trader, not as a tip giver, but as someone who has watched markets for decades. If you understand this one video, you will never look at money the same way again. Let us begin at the very root. A financial market is not a place. It is a system where money moves from those who have excess to those who need it. That is all. Everything else is complexity added later. When you buy a share, you are not gambling, you are becoming a part owner of a business. When you buy a bond, you are not chasing returns. You are lending money and earning interest. When you buy gold, you are not trading. You are protecting purchasing power. When you buy a currency, you are betting on economic strength. And when you buy crypto, you are participating in a new digital experiment with high promise and high risk. Now here is the first truth most people do not realize. Prices do not move because of news. Prices move because of expectations. Markets always look forward, not backward. By the time news reaches you, institutions have already acted. This is why ordinary investors feel late and frustrated. Now let me explain who really operates these markets. There are only 5 major players: governments, central banks, institutions like pension funds and insurance companies, corporations, and retail investors like you and me. Retail investors are the smallest group, but emotionally the most active. Institutions move slowly, with discipline, with risk control. Retail investors move fast, with emotion, with fear and greed. This difference explains almost all losses. Now let me pause here and ask you something important. Have you ever bought something only because everyone else was talking about it? If yes, you are not alone. This is human psychology, and markets exploit it perfectly. This brings me to the most dangerous misunderstanding. Many people believe markets are designed to make everyone rich. They are not. Markets are designed to allocate capital efficiently. Some will win, some will lose. Those who manage risk survive. Those who chase excitement disappear. Now let us talk about exchanges and brokers briefly. An exchange is simply a meeting place. Buyers and sellers meet there. A broker is a middleman who connects you to that meeting place. Whether it is a stock exchange, a commodity exchange, or a crypto exchange, the role is the same. Technology has changed. Human behavior has not. Now here is a warning. I say very respectfully. If someone promises guaranteed returns, please walk away. Markets do not guarantee. They only offer probability. Probability rewards patience and punishes impatience. This is especially important for senior citizens and hard-earned savings. Now let me give you 3 simple truths. Please remember these. First, markets reward discipline, not intelligence. Second, protecting capital is more important than growing capital. Third, if you do not understand where returns are coming from, you are probably the return for someone else. Let me end with this. You do not need to know everything. You do not need to trade daily. You do not need excitement. You need clarity. You need patience. You need respect for risk. In this series, I will slowly explain stocks, bonds, options, commodities, currencies, crypto, in a language everyone can understand. If you found value today, please like, please share, and write in comments. Are you investing or are you still confused? I personally read comments. Thank you for listening.